Hello there, John Snyder with Autoblog here, and this is the 2023 Bentley Bentayga, the extended wheelbase, first edition. It's got the V8, looks pretty nice, but what I want to find out, can I fit my trusty 32 ounce Nalgene in there anywhere, in the cup holders and the doors, some secret spot, so let's find out. Front cup holders. Looks kind of big, but nope, not big enough. Door pockets. Let's see. Maybe I could see it's recessed there, but it's kind of a tight fit. It doesn't want to go in that way. If I turn it sideways, it slides on in. Cool. All right. Let's check the back seats. This is gonna be a nope, just like up front. Nope. Gotta take these headphones out of here for the rear seat entertainment, and just like up front, it will fit in the doors. And then there's one other little cubby here. Never mind that one, it's not a cooler like in the Maybach. But there's this little guy here. Opens up pretty deep. You can fit another one there. It'll rotate a little bit. You can't close that, but that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 Nalgenes that you can fit in the Bentley Bentayga. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.